Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software for you, NeoCast. NeoCast in a nutshell is the world's first AI app that lets you own a TV channel that gives millions of views for sponsoring ads, all without creating or streaming anything. You don't need any studio, without equipment, without fees, and without marketing. And it has inbuilt views generator, inbuilt feed, and inbuilt sponsors. So it's a great one in my own assessments. Let us hear exactly what my friend Victory Abels has in store for us with this one. And I believe it's an amazing product in the sense that it's going to help you create a channel of any niche which will definitely attract online visitors, and this definitely will have access to ads, social ads and other ads that you can actually publish on this very site that is created in this application, and you'll be able to stream and have your blog angles of this web page, and you'll be able to definitely make money online. It's a crazy little equipment that's going to help you. At any point you decide to get this one, I'll leave the link to this sales page of this very launch in my description. First link, you'll be able to have access there, and when you click that link it will bring you to this sales page. My name is Mike, Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now, if you still have this NeoCast application from Victory Abels, by the way, this product is going live on the 31st of March 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and it's by my friend and brother Victory Abels. Okay, so it's an amazing product. We are going to see how we are going to use this board, which you are going to have access to when you buy this product, so you see exactly what you have there. Like I said, I will show you amazing bonuses that will blow your mind. A lot of them out here, software and training courses, and I have a second page to that effect, which will give you a lot of values. 10 super training courses and ebooks that will teach you from scratch how to start to make money online. Today, let us just go straight deep into this very one, NeoCast, and it's going to help you create television stations that you can have online, and you can stream live. You can actually upload any kind of video using your video URL link simply, or upload from your computer hardware. So it's an amazing product, and imagine the whole thing is automated in a way that it actually gets RSS feeds from different niches and different news stations, and definitely this will pinpoint a niche that you want, and you have RSS feed that attract and publish videos on automation systems, and you'll be able to use them to make money online. So let's read online and see what exactly he is going to tell you about this one. Let us see if we can listen to this video together and see how this is going to help you. Okay, otherwise we leave that for now. Anyway, let's go. In any case, let's see some of the benefits that you have with NeoCast. And you have a one-click start your TV empire with zero hassles, and you have generate millions of views on demand in any niche. You promote your link or sell ads from your one, no streaming and no content creation. 332 big orchestras launched their channels and made this significant amount of money combined, and no complicated setup. Gets up and it gets up and running in 2 minutes, and you walk in any niche whatsoever, zero monthly or hidden fees. You can generate hot leads in any niche with a simple click, affiliate friendly platform, and 99.99% uptime guaranteed, and you have zero upfront cost, one-time buy, and you have also 365-day money back guarantee. That means a whole year to return this product. That means you could make this product your brand and use it to brand yourself and make money, and within 1 year you'll be able to return it with reasons or without any reason. So at your convenience, when you come here on this sales page, clicking that first link in my description, you'll be able to find a link that will give you access to this product, and it has a coupon that is going to fall from the roof of this very sales page, which will give you a $3 discount on the front end of this very one. Now let us see if we can go further and see some of the testimonials. Like Liam said, this is by far the easiest app I used. The dashboard is very intuitive and user-friendly. Yes, that is true, because I tried it before coming on this review. Not only that, it's the only app that got me real results, and this is what Marine said. I never thought I would start my own TV channel, but here I am on CIS. Best part is that it's 100% automatic. I don't need to do anything or buy anything. This is to her a game changer, actually, and this is what Tiana said. And you can always get through to these reviews and of course testimonials of people who have beta tested this product, and you'll be able to see if this is going to help you create that channel and create that passion that you have on your niche, on any subject whatsoever. You'll be able to create your passion and turn this passion into value, and where there is value, definitely success is attracted. And step 1 to access NeoCast means you click on any of the links to get instant access to NeoCast, and step 2, you instantly create your fully functional TV channel. It takes less than 30 seconds because it's highly AI optimized. And you have step 3, you blast and turn the built-in views generator and start attracting millions of eyeballs, and that's the purpose of that. And step 4, you'll be able to see the results coming in when you get all those clicks that will definitely patronize you if you have your affiliate link, or if you are advertising, selling any product, even e-commerce products, all of those things, you'll be able to have access to that very well here. So it is an amazing product from Victor Ablos. Normally he does his launches on Jolly Zoo, but I'm surprised to find him today on Warrior Plus, and I mean, that's a very good news for Warrior Plus customers who are going to actually be needing something that creates value, which you will see in the dashboard area when we get to that stage. So I will leave most of the sales page for you so that you see the income proofs, and these are real income proofs from Victor Ablos and his partners and students, and you'll be able to make up your mind if you are going to deep into this visual entertainment industry. And seeing is believing. Video is definitely the most popular way you can bring your talents, you can bring your passion or anything you want to sell online to the public. With over 4.5 billion people having access to the internet, so you see the market is broad, and you'll be able to make up your mind on this one. I recommend this one as top 10 products of this 2023 because it has value that it creates. With a single dashboard, you'll be able to do some of these things. Let us not waste so much time on this and see if we can make progress on this one. Now I will show you the very members area. This is the dashboard area, and these are some of the videos you can search by inserting any video URL on YouTube or Vimeo or Wistia or anything. You can just put them here and search, and you can also use a keyword to make your searches. Now let's go to the channels and see how many channels have been created with this. You have Zulu, review channel, and traditional website. So, and you can always add your video using this link. You can delete and edit your video with this very link. And now let's see if we can upload videos. You can add any video link or URL to this very button, and of course use this to fetch the video, or you can upload. But let's upload and see how we are going to see how exactly this works. I think I tried it before, and let's upload any of my videos that I have done for marketing and see if that is going to actually, we can drag it here. Definitely it's going to do the magic, so that you see how this is going to perform for you. So it's going to actually perform the magic. And if you upload file, if you do the uploading by clicking that button, you will see the count and percentage level, and this is 100%. So we are definitely going to find ourselves to view the uploaded content. If you do that, it's going to actually bring you to this very page where you will see exactly what you have been able to create. And if I click this video, that is uploaded now, it will bring out the video itself. So imagine launching this on any of the pages on this very channel, and you'll be able to stream your listening, and it has that capability to get automated. That means all these videos can be lined up in an auto-responding formula, which will definitely fetch this video and broadcast them autopilot even when you are sleeping. Okay, and all you do is to get results from your efforts, and I mean, it's an important decision to make, and you'll be able to upload your video there on any subject you desire. Now, this is the updates. You can look at the contents that have been uploaded now by clicking this button, and of course you have the live stream where you can stream live on this by clicking this button to create live stream. You can always live stream by filling most of these gaps and the APIs and all that, so you can save and add your title with this one, and then you can add the channel where that very stream that is going to be hooked to, so that the audience will be able to visit and see some of these added videos on the channels you choose on your very website. Okay, so and here you have websites where you can create a website by just clicking this button, which will give you access to enter the title of the website, and you choose logo with this button. You add favicon, which is an identifier that is going to identify your brand on the browser, and you have also the header, the colors, and everything that is needed for the very website that you are going to create with this equipment. So it is self-exclusive, and I will give the link to the bonus to how this very product works when the product is in action, how you can use it yourself after purchasing this product, and the training button is out there too to help you get support and teach you, because it's simply copy and paste and everything is automated for you. And the done for you edition, the coaching edition, all the editions that are available on this network, on this launch, will be made available to you. And here you can have your analysis of how many videos. Today you have 5 videos, last 7 days 8 videos, last 30 days 8 videos, and total videos 8, because 8 different partners have been able to open their different tasks on this very application for the purpose of reviews. That's why you have all this populated with this amount of videos, and so it's a crazy low equipment that's going to help you make money online. And that will take us now to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. I have 2 pages. This first one will be waiting for you on my Weather Plus account, and it has about 7 products that are going to make you actually begin to see the reasons why you should persist and make money online. The first one is Latitude, a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and you have 2 decks, which are another Chrome extension, a product software from John Armstrong, my mentor, and this exactly shows you how you can crack the toolkit traffic by taking traffic using Chrome extension to your offers or your links. And you have also Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is access to food buyer traffic. You have also how to make 4-figure daily commissions using JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot system that is installed in your system that actually fetches traffic to your offer, okay, on autopilot. And you have also Lockdown Formula, which is how to start online business on any niche and scale it to $5,000, $10,000 a month, and you'll be able to have all the training here. It's a massive training course for affiliate marketers, for marketing in general, digitally, so that you see how this is going to help you. And my bonus number 7 on this page will be the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools that you will use online to do one task or the other. Just complements completely with NeoCast as a product for creating channels. Of course, TV channels online, where everybody has a channel now, where you can take out a strategy, take out a niche, and be able to hammer consistently your views and your contents on that. And I mean, it's crazy what you have here as bonuses, and they all complete complement with the product NeoCast. And now this is the second one I will send you by email address, through your email address when you buy this product. This one has 10 amazing training courses and ebooks that will give you different capabilities. You have the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, this building expert, which is important to make money on demand. And you have internet marketing fast start. You have affiliate marketing secrets. You have also category to via email ebook and this chatbot mastery, marketing mastery. You have also building the perfect sales funnel and blogger for profit, and you have email list building, blueprints, and copywriting crackdown. This one will be sent by email when you buy this product, and of course this will be waiting for you on my Wallet Plus account. That's exactly where we have. Unfortunately for now, I don't have access to the pricing, but in any case, by the time the product launches, you are going to be able to find exactly that, and that will probably help you decide some of the things you are able to do. You create TV channels on demand in less than 30 seconds or more, and you will make TV channels on websites and convert viewers into sales, and you will live stream instantly without any fancy tools like we've shown you on the dashboard, and you host TV channels on Amazon Fire and Roku TV and get millions of eyeballs, and you ask monetization, turn all views into payments easily, and you instantly broadcast your AI generated content across millions of eyeballs. I mean, the opportunity and the benefits go on and on and on this one, and you have in-built PayPal check system for receiving instant payments when you make any sales on these sites that you will embed on different sources. Okay, so it is loaded and populated with a lot of things. You have the front end unlimited, done for you. You have the traffic, you have automation, you have the app bundle upgrade, you have income multiplier upgrade, you have the coaching and the reseller. All these are going to be made available when this product launches and when you decide to get this one for yourself. For now, we are going to call it a day on this review at this point. If you are still here, that means you like what I'm doing here, and I will appreciate it very much if you can like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And definitely I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here is goodbye.